In emergencies, quick and effective treatment for burn injuries is crucial for minimizing damage. The Rhino Rescue Burn Kit offers fast, scientifically formulated relief for burns, providing cooling and soothing gel dressings and sterile, non-woven pads. Designed for a range of burns, including sunburns, open flames, scalds, and chemical burns, this comprehensive kit includes burn gel packets, bandages, nitrile gloves, scissors, and tape. The water-based biodegradable gel ensures a contamination-free atmosphere for safe emergency care, with easy application requiring no pre-cooling. This HSAFSA eligible kit is a great addition to first aid kits for home, work, or travel, ensuring rapid relief when needed most. In outdoor and survival situations, a reliable knife is essential for various tasks and emergencies. The Kaiser Smolt fixed blade knife features a 2.93-inch drop point blade made from high-quality 3-volt steel, providing excellent hardness, edge retention, and rust resistance. This razor-sharp blade is stronger than traditional hunting or folding knives, making it perfect for camping, survival training, or military combat. The knife is equipped with an ergonomic G10 Plus micarta handle, offering a secure, comfortable grip. It also includes a high-quality Kydex sheath for safe, easy storage and multiple carrying methods. This multi-purpose outdoor knife is an ideal tool for backpacking, hiking, fishing, and other outdoor adventures. In emergencies, having a reliable food supply ensures you can stay nourished when traditional resources are unavailable. The ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply offers 84 servings of gluten-free, freeze-dried meals, perfect for hiking, camping, or survival situations. Each meal is individually packaged, making it easy to grab and go when you need it most. These meals are ideal for emergency preparedness or long-term storage. ReadyWise provides peace of mind, knowing you are prepared for any situation, whether it's a disaster, adventure, or unexpected event. Stay healthy and ready with this sustainable, convenient, and trusted food supply. When urgent bathroom needs arise, especially during outdoor activities or travel, having a portable solution can be incredibly convenient. The Tsunami Female Urinal with silicone funnel is designed for women to urinate standing up comfortably. Ideal for outdoor activities, travel, camping, or in traffic jams, this reusable urinal is a practical solution for urinary urgency. The anti-overflow design prevents spills, ensuring a mess-free experience. Made from soft, flexible silicone, it's easy to clean and carry. Simply rinse, spin dry, and store in a bag. Compact and discreet, this portable device helps women avoid unhygienic public restrooms or cramped airplane toilets, providing ultimate convenience and peace of mind. When starting a fire, especially in challenging conditions, having a reliable and quick ignition source is essential. The Forever Pine Fire Starter offers a natural, odorless, and eco-friendly solution for lighting fires. Made from 100% natural wood fibers and wax, these fire starter squares ignite in just 1 to 2 seconds, even when wet. They burn cleanly and safely for 8 to 10 minutes, making them perfect for campfires, BBQs, wood stoves, and grills. Waterproof and long-burning, they are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Free from artificial chemicals, these fire starters are a safe and sustainable alternative to traditional firelighters, offering convenience and peace of mind during your outdoor adventures or emergencies.